A drone saves a Swedish man in cardiac arrest. A 71-year-old man who was having a heart crisis was saved thanks to an autonomous drone. A doctor in Trollhattan, Sweden, was able to get a life-saving defibrillator thanks to the drone's delivery. That it came so soon was great, said the guy, who did not want to be identified by name to the BBC. Defibrillation might begin before an ambulance arrived, according to the firm behind the drone. Everdrone claims that from the time the alert was triggered until the aid was delivered, it took little over 3 minutes. According to the patient, he has no recollection of what transpired on that day in early December. Later, his wife remarked on his good fortune. Mats Sallstrom, the CEO of Everdrone, feels that the company's technology had a role in saving the patient's life. Sweden's biggest medical institution Karolinska Institutet, SOS Alarm, Region Västra Götaland and Everdrone collaborated to develop the drone. Defibrillator drone deliveries to Gothenburg and Kungälv in western Sweden are being studied for 2020. Drones were dispatched to 12 out of 14 instances of suspected cardiac arrest and were able to deliver an aid in all but one of them, according to a 4-month study conducted by Karolinska researchers. In 7 occasions, the drones arrived ahead of the ambulances. Fortunately, a doctor was close in December, but worries remain regarding whether non-medical people would know how to use a defibrillator. Patients in the 2020 research did not have any devices linked to them. However, the reasons for this are not obvious. It has become much more important for Everdrone to cooperate closely with the dispatchers who provide directions to the people on the ground since 2020, according to the company. Although Everdrone won't reveal which nations it has been in negotiations with, the company has confirmed that it is working on bringing its technology to the UK. Some UK emergency agencies are already using drones. The relatives of an 83-year-old man who was discovered alive by a police drone earlier this year after being missing for 18 hours declared that his life had been saved. Everdrone believes the Swedish system works because it is interconnected. Mr. Sallstrom said that the drone system is electronically connected with the emergency dispatch system and can be prepared to take off as soon as an emergency call indicating that a cardiac arrest has occurred is received. Although the drone is self-piloting, a pilot in charge monitors the operation and may seek takeoff permission from air traffic control. The chances of surviving after a collapse decline by 7 to 10% per minute, according to the business. Everdrone hopes to employ the technique to deliver additional vitally needed medical items. It's safe to say that the patient who was saved by the drone is a big fan. Drones, according to him, fly above the traffic in his town, which may be an issue when the roads are congested.